Well, hello team, Tim Thomas here. Wanted to get up and record a quick video, guys, concerning the 12-minute affiliate program. Hey guys, the 12-minute affiliate program is a program that I got involved with, and how it learns you how to effectively market Clickbank products, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus products. You're going to need lead capture pages. You're going to need email follow-up. Rather than sending people straight to the offer, you're going to need a way to capture people's email addresses so that you can put them on your list, and that when they begin to like, know, and trust you, you can begin to market to these people. So guys, we'll call this training on how to get massive sales with Clickbank, and utilizing the 12-minute affiliate program, and or how to get sales with Clickbank without a website. Guys, the 12-minute affiliate program is a great program that not only are what you get, you're going to get 3 profitable niches. You're going to get, here they go, home business, people that want to work from home, weight loss, and personal development. These are the 3 categories of people that you're going to market to. And guys, it's absolutely exciting to see the exciting funnels that have been pre-built, done for you. We have funnel after funnel. We have capture page after capture page that you can utilize. And guys, this program can teach you how to list build. And not only can you market the products that's in the 12-minute affiliate program, this is your list. You are building a massive email list that if people don't partner with you the first time, if they don't join you the first or the second time, again, once you build the rapport, once you build the know, like, and trust you, people will partner with you over and over again in various programs. So that's exciting. So the money is in the list, guys. And that is what I like about the 12-minute affiliate. You're going to be able to build a massive email list. I got it hooked to they hooked it up to my Aweber. And guys, here are my subscribers today, yesterday. So guys, I am building a massive email list to where you're looking at this video, you might be a part of a person that's on my email list. And that is powerful. And guys, we can send them offers, we can send them training, we can send them words of inspiration. It's your list to do what you want to do with it. And not only, guys, are you building the list, you're able to market different products. You come over to Clickbank, guys. You come to the you click on Marketplace. This is how to effectively market Clickbank products. And guys, you can find any product over here that you would like to market, and you can utilize the 12-minute affiliate. What we're focusing on currently with the 12-minute affiliate is internet marketing, e-business and internet marketing. You go over here, guys, and you can choose any of these products that concerns internet marketing, work from home, make money online. And you find a product that resonates with you, that has value to be delivered to those that are looking at your offer. And guys, you can begin to allow sales to flood your Clickbank account. With the 12-minute affiliate program, guys, I was able last month to make 22 of Clickbank sales. 22. Never made Clickbank sales in my life. I made one here or there, but nothing consistent. And I was able to make 22 sales last month utilizing the 12-minute affiliate program. Now, guys, and again, when you choose a product, what you want to do, you want to sort either by popularity, or you can click on here and you can sort it by gravity. Gravity means that we have this many affiliates that have sold this program this week and having success. You had 95 folks was able to partner and sell this program. It launched on the 6th of March. So that's a powerful program. New $900 per day app, JV prizes. So guys, that's a new program, and that people are getting excited about it, and they're selling this program. So that's one program. Another program, guys, is this super affiliate commission. This is a high converting offer, and you can make up to $469 per sale with that program. And guys, what you want to do, you want to market, programs that has high gravity and gravitate and at least get $10 or more per sale. I mean, if you can get the higher price product, guys, it's just as easy to promote this product as it is this one. You're putting the same work into the program, and you can plug these into your back office of the 12-minute affiliate. Again, these are some of the best lead capture pages in the business. We're going to talk about those in a minute. Guys, when you partner in the 12-minute affiliate program, here's a recap of everything that you're getting per niche. You're going to get 10 done for you sales funnels in the hottest, most profitable niches. Make money online, fitness, weight loss, personal development. You're going to get 40 done for you. Actually, you're getting 80 per niche done for you. This is a $1,600 value. Number 3, you're going to get simple copy and paste instructions on how to sell as many as 10 affiliate products per niche in as little as 12 minutes. Folks, that is, the training in the back office is incredible. And you can go under we have what we call the Education Center. This is past webinars that gives you information on how to effectively market the 12-minute affiliate and to grow a massive email list. Guys, I got to stress that with the 12-minute affiliate program, it's an opportunity not only to make sales with the 12-minute affiliate or any Clickbank, JB, Zoo, Warrior Plus product. You're going to grow a massive email list. And folks, that's your list. If you want to email them every other day, once a week, every day, you're building a relationship with these folks. You're building camaraderie. You're building like, know, and trust, so that they know and they know that when you market a product, guys, it's something that can make them money, that can benefit their lives, and that can help them out. Folks, you're going to have access to our private Facebook group. Guys, this is a private Facebook group, members only, and we have our trainings on file. This is a $97 per month value. Bonus number 1, double your follow-up messages. Folks, that's $1,600 value. Bonus number 2, personal development / success library. That is a $497 value. Bonus number 3, you're going to get 16 free traffic statistic e-course, $97. Bonus number 4, done for you, product promos. Guys, that is $997 per year. Total value, guys, you're looking at $7,031, which equals up to $194 per month. But do you think you're going to pay for that? No, you're not going to pay that. Guys, if you want to get one niche, let's say you want to go with weight loss, you just pay $495, and it's going to be $47 per month. Or you can do like I did, and I got all 3 niches, so I can make the most amount of money, $97 per month, and you're off to the races. Guys, and you can buy a one-time program. I've had several people buy the lifetime program, and you never get charged again. You own the system for life. You pay today, you never get rebilled. You're in good shape with the system. So we're excited about that. So guys, what we want to do, we want to take a moment and look at the niches. Let's look at the funnels that you get that we're going to be able to build a massive email list with. And again, guys, the money is in the list. The 12-minute affiliate program builds your list. Because you're running traffic and your list is constantly growing. And this is going to be your email list. The money is in the list. You can email these people whatever offer that you would like, whether it be the 12-minute affiliate, a Clickbank product, whatever, the list is yours. And guys, that's exciting. Let's go over and look at the home business niche. Let's look at the funnels that you get to promote your Clickbank products, your JB Zoo products, your Warrior Plus products. These are the funnels, and these funnels are pretty exciting. Here is one. This is an opt-in page. People are going to put their email address there, guys, and then here's the bridge page. It's like a thank you page for, an incentive for them coming to your website, putting their email address, and this is a thank you page. Here's another one, guys. it's a very strong page, and it's the bridge page. Here's another one, guys. Let's look at this. Let's take a closer look at this one. How to earn $100,000 per year. I want y'all to take a look at this. It's a pretty powerful page, and I found this one's the one that's converting very well also. So might want to take a look at that page. Oh, here it is. Yeah, if you never made a dime online, it says the secret earn up to $100,000 plus from home, brand new, step by step. Anyone can do it. It says you're about to discover a secret to online faster than you thought possible. Build a stable business even if you don't know how. How to create income from home even if you don't know how. Leverage the internet to replace your day job even if you don't know how, and so much more. So guys, this is a great landing page. Capture page that takes you to the thank you page. When they opt in, guys, it's going to take them to this bridge page. I'll show you that. And it just converts very well. Stop before you continue to read the following. You're going to have access to all these funnels that I'm showing you right now, and you can put whatever affiliate program, whether it be an internet marketing program, a postcard program, whatever program that you're currently working with, you can use these capture pages and funnel pages to build you a massive email list, guys, that you can market any program that you're currently working with in. And this is for these are tailored to the home business. This is weight loss. This is personal development. And guys, here are custom funnels. You can have custom a funnel made. You can make those up. And here we go. Personal development, custom funnels. And guys, you can choose from all these personal development if you choose that option. Let's go to the home-based business. Let's look at custom funnels over here. Here are more lead capture pages. Any of these lead capture pages, guys, you can choose from to promote whatever you would like. And that's what we're doing. So guys, you're getting so much value with this program. You're getting the done-for-you sales funnels to promote the Clickbank products that are already pre-selected for you. The top products are done for you. They're already plugged in. All you do, sign up to the system, and you run traffic. And guys, let me show you this. They've made traffic so simple. Let's look at the top affiliate products before we go to traffic. The 12-minute affiliate itself is in the back office. John Condessa's super affiliate system, well converting. Traffic Ivy, 6-figure success academy, Profit Genesis. These and the Easy Cash Club. These are commission pulling programs that are proven to work, and they're already pre-selected. That 1 week the systems is going to market the 12-minute affiliate. The next minute it's going to market John Condessa's system. Traffic Ivy, 6-figure success academy. Profit Genesis. It's going to market all these products on your behalf, and that is exciting. So they're plug and play, unless again you want to create your own funnel with the funnels over here. Unless you want to do this, let's go over here. If you want to do your own funnel, we do what we call custom funnels. Here are the lead capture pages you can choose from. Use advanced marketers, and you can use any of these lead capture pages. Guys, here is a one of the lead capture pages that I'm using for one of my businesses. Guys, this thing's converting at about 55%, meaning that 55 out of 100 people that come to this site are giving us their email address. Folks, look at this. It says, warning, the dummy proof solution is helping complete newbies can create up to $1,000, $3,000, $10,000 or per month, and enter your email address. Guys, that capture page, if you're promoting something, you want to use that capture page, guys, if it's working on Make Money Online, because it's converting very well. They're going to put in their email address. It's going to take them to the bridge page, and you're off to the races. You're absolutely off to the races. So we're excited about, guys. We're excited about this capture page and the 12-minute affiliate system. Now, one thing that people struggle with, guys, is getting traffic. The 12-minute, not with the 12-minute affiliate, the traffic sources have already been pre-selected for you. So if you want traffic, we have what we call done for you traffic. Done for you. You click on here and you got the done for you traffic. It says get quality traffic to any of the affiliate niches within the network. Just a few clicks of your mouse. Here's how. The 12-minute affiliate has partnered with some of the top traffic providers on the internet. Powerful. And it's top tier traffic. Countries like USA, Canada, England, Australia. And guys, when you're buying traffic, always buy, top tier traffic. Don't get that traffic where, that people don't speak English. Get the English speaking countries, which again is the US, Canada, England, Australia. That's top tier traffic. One of the biggest mistakes people make, guys, is they buy cheap fake traffic. Guys, and that's what yields zero results. But when you buy good traffic, guys, you will win in this home base arena. Here's how you do, guys. You click the Get Traffic button. Remember, select the traffic that you want based on the niche that you want. Then the amount of traffic is based on your budget. Remember, the more traffic you get, the more people that's going to get on your email list, and the more likely they're going to make sales. Guys, it's a numbers game. It is absolute numbers game. You tell the system where you want to send the traffic. Simply put the link in where the traffic, that's your lead capture page, and it will go to any one of the 12-minute affiliate pages, and you're off to the races. After your order is placed, you'll be able to sign the receipt, authorize the purchase, sit back and relax while the traffic is going for you. So excited, guys. Buy as much traffic as you like, guys, as often as you possible. Remember, guys, traffic is the lifeblood of any business. So, guys, that's it in the nutshell. How to promote Clickbank products without a website. You go again to the marketplace. You're going to find whatever niche that you like. And we're focusing with the 12-minute affiliate done for you. We're focusing on, again, home-based business, weight loss, and personal development. And you go and find those categories, guys. And if you're going to use a pre-built funnel, unless you're going to get and do it yourself with one of the other lead capture pages, you're going to come down to Internet Business and Market, find a program that resonates with you, makes sense to you, review it, guys, and get to promoting the program. Put your affiliate link in there, and you're ready to go. That's if you're using a custom funnel. But if you just want to use what the system has already preloaded, all you do is sign up. You have the system set up, and you start running traffic. The system will sell for it. It will sell itself. Guys, hopefully you enjoyed this review on how to promote Clickbank products without a website, utilizing the 12-minute affiliate program. One of the best systems I've seen, guys, to promote, again, Clickbank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus. Guys, if you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Like the video, share it, pass it along. Bye for now, guys. Until the next video.